Maganda sana nung simula pero hindi na-sustain yung team.
Nung simula lang ang laro, champion na kami. Hindi kami sa simula ng magaling. Diba? Ayun na, hindi ganun ang basketball. So, you have to learn how to play until the end. We were out-hustled start of the third quarter. And then out-hustled and I don't know. Probably we got affected also with the foul trouble of our import. Probably the locals got affected, but it's not an excuse. I told them that's not an excuse. We cannot rely on our import all the time. We have to play, we need to play all Filipino, so the level of play should not be affected. Yun ang lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila. But tonight, well in the trap na wala, kanya-kanya. No? So, I know it's only the first game, but we have to learn from the last conference. Lagi kami nag-ahabol. Nag-ahabol pa kami.
Yung FIBA calls ba, medyo nag-adjust yun?
Hindi ko alam eh. Ang FIBA calls, ano ba, na-idea with FIBA, nagaling mo lang dun. Diba? Kaya hindi ko rin maintindihan kung ano talaga eh. Diba? So, I mean, we're adjusting and I hope the referees when the officiating also will adjust. I know they're gonna adjust, but I mean, hindi ko alam kung anong magiging adjustment. Kami mag-a-adjust kami. Wala naman kami magagawa eh. We have to adjust. But hopefully they can adjust right away also. Kasi hindi naman sila FIBA referee. Di ba? PBA referee sila eh. So they have to adjust them. But the thing is, they have to adjust right away because the teams are relying on them. Kami nagre-rely sa kanila ngayon. Di ba? To make the right calls. So, I know it's hard to be consistent. Di ba? Mahirap maging consistent eh. Ngayon na matagal na hinihingi na ng mga coaches, even players. I know it's hard, but they have to adjust also. We are adjusting, they have to adjust also. FIBA rules. Lang. Talaga. Pero nag-adjust kami. Mag-adjust din sila. Mabilis.
Spoiled ba yung birthday?
Well, buti nga natapos yung birthday ko eh. Hindi ko na birthday eh. Diba? Buti na lang. But we have to find ways how to figure this out as quick as possible because we need a lot of wins as possible kasi this is not the same format as last two conferences. Medyo kailangan mo na paramihan ng panalo dito sa group mo, no? To have a chance to go to the next round. So, we'll see.